UniWigs has always been a huge part of my hair loss journey, and now I'm happy to say they're part of my hair growth journey as well. And I'm talking about their brand new product, the Hair Building Fibers. So essentially, they are these colored fibers that once they are shaken and sprayed onto your skin, it looks like real hair. And this little product, there's two ways to use it. One of the ways you can use it is to fill in those thinning or balding spots on your scalp, or you can use it in tandem with your hair topper so that you can blend your bio hair with your topper and make it more seamless. I'll be showing you how to fill in the bald spots because I have a few. I'm growing back my hair from alopecia and there's some spots that still need a little help. First, you gotta find the right color. I use dark brown and it's a little bit darker than my actual hair color, and that's to help blend everything a little bit better. So I unscrewed the cap and screwed on the precision applicator, and it's like giving yourself little puffs of air. You want to shake it up to activate, and now spray. Ah, look at that! Oh my god. It's like instant thicker hair, instant coverage. It's amazing. Let me do my hairline. All done. Look at it! It is that easy to get thicker hair and fuller coverage. You can't even tell that my hair was thinning there. When you're done, use your most preferred hairspray to seal it in, and you're ready to go for the whole entire day. I use this almost every day. It's in my makeup bag. It goes everywhere with me. And to not spill, there's a little cap that goes on it as well. So go get yourself some hair building fibers. You won't regret this. It is a life-changing product.